Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is an eye video, and I think what we're going to do is we're going to try to match this shirt, and we're going to do a bold blue eye. Smoky eye, of course, because what else is there, right? So let's get started. I am going to be starting off with my Essence eye base as always, and I'm just going to put this on. I don't know why I'm looking in that mirror. I don't need to look in that mirror. And then spread it with my sponge. And then I have powder on the back, so I'm just going to go ahead and powder that because I absolutely love this powder. It smooths out everything and it looks fabulous. This is the By My Pores powder. And then we're going to go into our Most Loved Mattes from Milani. And I'm going to use this lightest color right here to just two, okay? Just two. And I'm just going to spread that all over. I don't really need to set it because I just used powder. But just in case it wasn't enough and I want it to be lighter, I'm going to do this because it's what I always do. I don't always put the By My Pores on it, but it just works so well on my face that I thought, you know what? I just need to try that on my eyelids too. Okay, so now we are going to go into this next color right next to it, this one right here. These have names on the back, but I can never read them, so it's this one. The one right next to the lightest color, right below it. And I'm just going to use that for my transition color. And then I'm just going to start in the outer portion, and I'm going to pull it up really, really high because I'm going to be using such a dark color on my lid. I want to put that into the crease and above so that you can actually see it. So that's what I'm going to do. Actually, that doesn't seem to be dark enough to me. I'm going to go into this one over here. See if that'll give it a little more color. Is that better? Doesn't have any color either. Maybe this mauvey one. No, that's too dark. No, maybe not. Maybe this one. I think I'm going to go into this darker one down here. This one right here. I'm just going to use a really light hand with it. That's better. Okay, that's all I'm going to use from that palette. Now I'm going to go into my Wander Beauty Seascape palette, and I'm going to use this blue color all over my lid. Swatched a lot darker on my hand. That's better. Need to clear off some fallout. Which cleared right away. I'm going to go in with a flat brush. I'm just going to use this e.l.f. one. And I'm going to go into that blue and put it down along the bottom lash line and connect it. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to go into that darker brown color that I used for transition and smudge out that bottom line. Just like that. Now I'm going to take this cake bake and get a little powder on it. Just like that. And get me a nice crisp line. Right there. And then I'm going to take my finger and just press that so it blends just a little bit. I still want the crisp line, but not so obvious. Just like that. And then we're going to go in with some of this Stila Diamond Dust and put it on just super close to the, just right there. So I'm just going to take my little wedgie brush, get a little bit of this on it. This stuff is so beautiful. And I'm just going to put it right next to the lash line right there. Like that. Get enough. And now we are going to use our new liner from Wonder Beauty. And we're going to line the eyes. And we're going to make a wing. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and do my lashes and I will be back. Alright guys, I am back. This is the final look for our blue smoky eye glam, mature glam look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, I was going to tell you what I did. I put on mascara, which I used my So Fierce from Revlon. I put 2 coats of that on, curling it first and in between the coats. Then I put on a coat of the Lash Princess from Essence in the False Lash Effect. The one with the green writing. And those ones are the bomb. So, but this is the kind of look that I would add the double wispies to normally. But I didn't have any. You know, I just told you that I was going to do that lash video on Friday. And I was going to use double wispies. It looks like I'll be using regular wispies because I don't have any double wispies that aren't already used. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And hit that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!